Hi, this is Nomatua. Oil price analysis is our topic today. First, let's look at the technical picture of US oil daily chart. Oil currently is likely in some kind of ABC correction pattern. This wave here is weaker and not impulse, so it seems like a wave B. So now we are probably in wave C. Also, you can see here a nice break of head and shoulders pattern. Target for this pattern and for wave C is $90 area here. Also, if we look at the weekly chart at RSI, you can see a pattern of weakness here. So if I had a buy order before somewhere here, I would close it here and wait for the next signal. I think in general bull run remains after this ABC pattern correction will fully developed. Currently, I think we not yet finished the wave C, and probably we get some reversal pattern lower somewhere in this area or here. So further probability of downtrend to the $90 area remains. This lines here is a rough estimation or scenario I'm currently playing. I would enter buy only when see some new reversal candles here. Now let's look at the monthly chart of the US oil. Oil trend in monthly chart is pretty strong. And if you take a look at 2008 oil prices, like this all-time high here, this high was just before the recession, and history might repeat, and we get a one final grow from this level up to this level before the major correction, that is as the same as it was in 2008. Also, if you look at the level 146, we have some reversal zone here, like the same reversal zone we had here, and we get a strong pullback from it. And the same reversal zone is here. A lot of traders have their take profits in this area. And this level is basically the all-time high. So if you are going to buy, would be good idea to place a take profit order here. Press a like button if you find this information useful. Now let's talk about the fundamentals. Fundamentally, oil is oversold because we have rising rates. So inflation will probably calm down. Also, high rates and fears of recession leads to slowing down an economy that also lowering oil demand. Price targets from the experts are on the screen. These blue boxes here. This is for third quarter, this is for last quarter of this year, and this is for the next year. this is prices according to the experts. That's why I draw this estimation line. So I expect fall down, then rise to the area of 145, 47, and then a fall because of recession. You also may heard JP Morgan Chase warnings that global oil prices could reach even higher. I think it was $380, because Russia may cut its crude oil output. Yes, Russia is third largest oil producer, but it owns only around 10% of the oil market. That's not that big. I'm not sure it affects market a lot, since other oil producer can compensate this shortage, and this may lead to Russia lost the shares of this market. So 380 is a relatively unlikely scenario to my point of view, but rising to 100 plus, like 140, is more likely in short period of time because of Russia manipulation and cold season coming. All this information together told us that from technical picture, we can wait for the buy signal here, and have potential move to this area here afterwards. Maybe to the all-time high even, especially if we believe in JP Morgan prognosis regarding Russia cuts its oil production. From other point, we have recession risks that comes. I personally think that we might get a second all-time high in oil, and then we go to the correction, but only after a strong confirmation of those scenario. Because now I'm not seeing any confirmation yet. Basically, all of this is not an investment advice. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching. Have a great and productive day.